Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Citi Strata cardholder, you've probably been earning those sweet points without a second thought. But what if I told you that redeeming them for incredible trips is easier than you think? In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to turn your Citi Strata points into your next adventure. Whether it's a dream vacation or a quick getaway, let's get you booking in no time. First off, a quick refresher. Citi Strata points are flexible rewards earned through your credit card purchases, and they're especially great for travel because they can be transferred to airline and hotel partners for maximum value. The key is knowing how to redeem them effectively. So, grab your device, and let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Citi account. Head over to the Citi website or open the mobile app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure your account is up to date to see your current points balance. It's usually right on the dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards section. Once you're logged in, look for the Rewards or Points tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your total points and options for redemption. Step 3. Explore travel options. Click on Travel or Transfer Partners. Citi Strata works with a bunch of airlines like American Airlines, JetBlue, and hotels through partners like Choice Hotels. Search for flights, hotels, or even car rentals by entering your dates and destinations. Pro tip. Compare the value. Sometimes transferring points gives you more bang for your buck than booking directly through Citi. Step 4. Select and redeem. Once you find what you want, check the points required and confirm the redemption. You'll get a breakdown of how many points you're using and any additional costs. Double-check everything before hitting that confirm button. Step 5. Finalize your booking. After redemption, you'll often be redirected to the partner's site to complete the reservation. Keep an eye on blackout dates and expiration policies to avoid surprises. A few extra tips to maximize your points. Always aim to transfer to partners where your points have the highest value, like 1.5 cents per point for premium travel. And remember, points don't expire as long as your account is active, so use them wisely. There you have it, folks. You're now ready to redeem your Citi Strata points and start exploring the world. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your next travel dream. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.